Caligas Photo. They've been in business here since 1955. They know their stuff. Quality cameras, competitively priced. But check it out. There's so much more than a camera store. I couldn't count all the gift ideas when I walked into the store. Ornaments, cups, frames, koozies, even a shower curtain, cell phone covers, cuff bracelets. So many gift ideas. And you'll get ideas just coming in the store or going online at Caligas.com. They also do custom framing, and they can put your photos on a DVD with their shoebox scan. I did that. So convenient to share. And they create these custom designs at Caligas. Oh, and if you are looking for a camera, they carry a large selection and they match local prices. And you get a free private lesson to show you how your new camera works. I need that. You need Caligas this Christmas in Mobile and Pensacola. Online at Caligas.com.